In this video, we're gonna save some money. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some authentic muscle tees right from your house. All you're gonna need is an old t-shirt, some really good scissors, an iron, and some steady hands. No longer will you have to waste money on gym shirts and spend $30 to $40 on a shirt you're just gonna sweat in. So, I'm gonna show you how to take a shirt like this and make it into a muscle tee like this. Step one, we gotta iron the shirt. Now this is an optional step, but I highly recommend it. By ironing the shirt, you keep it nice and close together, it makes it easier to cut right through. If you don't iron it, it can still be done, but you might not have as clean a cut. And we're about perfection here, right? So let's make it a clean cut. Here, really our focus is to get the outer parts of the shirt. You don't really gotta worry about the center part. You're not touching that, right? You really wanna make sure the outer portion is nice and close together. That way it's easier for the cut. Before getting all excited and chopping away at your shirt, you gotta stop for a second and think about this. How do you want the shirt to look on you? That's gonna decide on the type of cut you make. You can cut it real low, just as so, but if you do that, you're gonna expose more stomach region. Now, maybe that's what you like to do. Maybe you're shredded to the gills, you wanna expose some abs, or maybe you just want more breathability. Whatever it may be, if you cut low, you're gonna expose more stomach region. Now, if you cut up a little bit higher, just as so, you'll still expose the traps, shoulders, and arms and all that, but you just won't expose too much stomach. So it depends on your comfort level. At the end of the day, pick the cut that's best for you, but for this video, we're gonna stick with that higher cut. All right, guys, so here's the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm gonna cut slightly closer to the trap area, right? That's gonna be my starting point. So the further out you go, the more you cover up. I'm gonna start about halfway in the shoulder area is gonna be my starting point. Then I'm gonna work my way down, all the way about right here is where I'm gonna finish my cut off, right? So as a reference point, I'm gonna use the bottom of this skeleton's jaw and line that up right there on both sides. So we're gonna start here and we're gonna work our way down right around there. Let's do it. Keep this nice close and keep on going. Don't worry, sorry. Just take it up. Keep going. Just like that. Seems the iron trick didn't help us as much as we wanted this time around. Let's see. Not bad. Little straggler. We'll cut that guy too. So we'll work the other side and we'll see what it looks like, all right? You guys want to use old shirts you got lying around, right? Don't use Sunday's best and you won't make yourself a big old mess to fix. So same thing, halfway from the shoulder area. Then we got a curve. And we're gonna cut it off right there. So, finished product. Let's try it on and see what it looks like. So here we have it, guys, the finished product. Shirt came out pretty well. Don't be worried, don't be afraid to cut that shirt up. That's why we're using old t-shirts in the first place. So if you're trying to find yourself a muscle tee and you're at home and you're thinking, I'm not trying to drop 30, 40 bucks on a pre-cut tee, find an old t-shirt, get some good scissors, iron it up first, and slice away. And you'll get yourself a nice muscle tee. You can wear it to the gym. Now you're not wasting money and you're being resourceful at the same time. So if you guys like this type of content, you want to see more, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you next time. Peace.